summer sun can be brutal. But have you ever wondered what that intense heat is actually doing to your floors? We put Ceramin into the test against a standard competitor. Here is the setup. We've locked both floors down with heavy clamps to simulate the weight of your furniture. It's a simulation of daily life. Static weight plus rising heat. Now, we turn up the heat. Watch as the temperature climbs to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Look closely at the competition. The stress is causing the vinyl floor to warp and bounce significantly. But Ceramin, it stays perfectly flat and stable. And now, the moment of truth. When we release the pressure, the competitor's floor snaps back, shifting by nearly 3 millimeters. That movement creates permanent gaps. Ceramin, however, remains rock solid, heat-resistant, dimensionally stable, reliable.